In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Substack publication. By the end, you'll know exactly how to draft a post, polish it with media, choose who sees it, and send it out confidently. First, head into your Substack dashboard and click Create Article. This opens the writing editor where you'll do all your work. If you don't see the button right away, look toward the top of the screen for the main Compose option. Substack keeps it prominent so you can jump straight into writing without distractions. Start by entering a clear, compelling title. Think of it as your headline. It should tell readers what they'll get and make them want to open the post. Under that, add a subtitle if you need a little more context or a quick hook. Then move on to the main content of your publication. Write in a natural, conversational style. Break up long paragraphs for readability, and consider leading with a strong introduction so people understand the value right away. The editor auto-saves, but it's still a good idea to pause and skim for typos and flow as you go. If you reference sources or data, mention them clearly in the text to build trust with your audience. You can also add images, audio, or video to enrich your post. Images help explain complex ideas or add visual interest. Pick high-quality files, and keep sizes reasonable so the post loads quickly. If you're embedding audio like a short clip or a podcast segment, include a line introducing what listeners will hear and why it matters. For video, place it where it naturally supports the story, and add a sentence or two of context so readers understand what they're watching before they hit play. Always make sure you have the right to use any media you include. After you're done, press Continue. This takes you to the final settings before publishing and distribution. Here, select your audience. You can make the post available to everyone, limit it to subscribers, or share it with a more specific segment depending on how you structure your publication. Next, choose who can comment. Allowing comments from everyone can boost engagement, while limiting them to subscribers can help keep discussions focused and manageable. Add tags to help categorize your post. Think about the topics readers would search for and choose a few accurate, relevant tags. Finally, if you're ready to go live, click Send to Everyone now. This will publish your post and deliver it to your selected audience right away. Take a last moment to confirm your links work, your formatting looks clean, and your message is clear. Then send it with confidence. That's all it takes to create a Substack publication.